Hello viewers, welcome to the Space Company. Here we have a queen size bed with the integrated sofa option, and here we have a invisible door. So coming to this product, so this is a integrated sofa model which comes with a standard seating height position. You can sit comfortably on this, and whenever you require a bed, you just need to hold the leg and bring the bed down. So the moment you start pulling the bed down, the sofa folds automatically under the bed. And this particular model can take up to 280 kilos of weight. Even two full-grown adults can sleep easily on this. And here we have the invisible door, which comes with the storage option. So if you are looking for these kind of products, please do visit our website, thespacecompany.in, or you can visit our experience center located in Bengaluru, Mumbai, and Hyderabad.